as you can see, I just want you to look the before and to the different level. I mean, before and after. So I just want you to understand the process and how I use filter camera raw. So let's get to it. I'm awake, subscribe to my page. Okay, so this is the image. I got one image, and the quality is so cool and great. So here we're gonna start from color mixer. Okay, so we're gonna change the skin tone, the map, and the eye and the eyebrow, and how to change everything to get it clean and so nice and quality. So okay, first how we're gonna do it, to start from the skin tone, the orange. Then I don't like the faces look like yellow, and I just want to turn the hue to negative, let's say negative 43, and increase the saturation. To increase the saturation to be around, let's say 50. 50 is not bad. So let's check the before and after. Before and after. Okay, then I'll just come to the red, okay, and increase the saturation. So check the lips. Okay, so I'll just increase it to move it to like this or this side. So I prefer to choose this one, or you can just move to around where you want to just change this to get whatever you just like it to be. Then we move to the yellow one, and I'll just try to check where it's going to affect it. So okay, so I think, let's say plus 30 is not bad. Then I'll change the hue to be around negative, let's say negative 30 is not bad. So let's check before and after. Before and after. Okay, so that's great. And move to this one, and anytime you want to do this, you need to check and see and move the hue to feel which one is good for you. So let's see around here. Okay, so I think this one's cool, but I prefer to choose this. Okay, I mean both is good, but I love to choose here. Here is cool, and you can do the same thing. And then move to the blue, and let's check. Okay, so I'll just make it around here and increase the saturation to be around here. So check it before and after. Okay, that's great. And move to purple and see where it's gonna affect it. Okay, I think this one is cool, so let's just make it 000. So that's it. And then let's move to basic and just turn this blacks to negative 60. Okay, negative 60, and check it before and after. Yeah, and move to shadows so that we can see around here. So shadows, but not too much, but to be around here. And I think the white is supposed to be around plus 18. Okay, and the white also to be around 10, plus 10. Check before and after. Okay, I think this is so great. Not this, but just want to increase this one and move the exposure to be around negative 0. 35. It's not bad. Let's check it before and after. Yeah, so that's it. So this is what I'm gonna this is what I just show you today to do. And if you love this video, like and comment, and I'm gonna drop more videos for you guys to just I mean, see what is fucking going on, nigga. See you for the next video. Bye.